Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got some screen topsoil we're adding to the property here today, and we're going to rake it out, add some grass seed, more finishing touches to the project. So here we're just filling up our spreader with the grass seed. I keep the grass seed spreader on number 6. I think it goes from 1 to 10. Higher the number, the more seed will spread out as you push it. So I keep it on about number 6 and go over top 3 or 4 times. Gives a good even spread of grass seed on the soil. I like to use a landscape rake. They're a little wider than a normal rake, so it makes the job a little quicker, and I find it smooths out the topsoil better than your normal narrow rock rake or gravel rake. So here we got some 6x6 cedar blocks, 8 feet long, and we're just going to place them along the edge of our garden for a border, because we're going to put some crushed stone there between the cedar blocks and the topsoil, so we got a place to walk to water our garden and manage the garden. I'm not going to be real fussy with the placement, just as long as they're straight. Next year when we till the garden again, we'll make sure the blocks are leveled up properly. I've just got some 1 by 2 by 8 strapping, and I'm just going to screw them to the inside on the garden side of those cedar blocks just to hold them together as we put this screen stone. Just kind of keeps everything straight for now, but like I say, next year when we retill the garden, everything will be pushed up against those cedar 8-foot blocks, and then we'll be able to level everything up properly. All I would do is just get like a 6-foot or a 4-foot level and place it on top, and put a shovel underneath the blocks and lift up and put a little gravel underneath just to level them up from one end to the other. So here we've got some 3/4 minus gravel we're going to place over top of this sand. We like using this gravel because it doesn't track on your boots when it's wet, and it compacts nice. It'll butt up against those cedar timbers and lock everything in place. Another thing you could do with those timbers, you could drill a hole down through them and then pound rebar down in from top through to the bottom into the ground, and that would help lock them in solid as well. But these are pretty heavy, and with the strapping we screwed on the back side, I think they're going to be okay. So as you can see, we're having difficulties with our lawn growing. It's nothing that we did. It's just that we've had an extremely dry spring, summer. We haven't had any rain at all. And you know, both my wife and I work, and it's hard to be there all the time to keep water on it. So we're mainly focusing on the garden for water right now. I know the best time to grow grass is in the fall because you get the cool nights and the heavy dew in the mornings, which saves a lot of watering. So maybe I should have waited until fall, but hey, it will eventually come in. If I have to spread a little more seed out towards the end of summer, it will eventually grow in nice and thick once we get some rain. Thanks for watching, everybody.